Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So here's an explanation of chapter number 2, that is living in space. So in this chapter, we'll learn about how the astronauts live in space. Astronauts living in space perform many of the daily activities like we do on Earth. They eat, sleep, work, wash and have fun just as we do. Of course, they can't drive to the nearest video store to rent a movie or go outside and cycle around the block. However, life in space is still a lot like life on Earth. Some things just have to be done differently. Astronauts in space do many activities like we do on Earth, but they cannot go and rent a movie, or they can't go to cinema, they can't go to shopping malls, and they can't ride bicycle in their lane or block. But living in space is somewhat similar like living on Earth, only there are some things that have to be done differently. Astronauts have to be careful while eating in the space shuttle because their food can float away. Sticky food is the best and crumbly food isn't sent to space. Can you imagine food crumbs floating around in the shuttle? It would be like being in a dust storm all the time. Astronauts have to be careful while eating in space because their food can float away. So it's better to take sticky food rather than crumbly food in the space shuttle. If the food crumbs will float, then it will look like the dusty storm in the shuttle. Many food items have the water removed so they weigh less and take up less room. This process is called dehydration. Before eating, the astronauts add water and squish the food and water in a plastic bag so it is not dry to eat. Astronauts can add hot water for hot food, but there is no refrigerator on the space shuttle, so no cold drinks. Astronauts take dehydrated food with them. Dehydrated means the food from which the water is taken out. They add water in the plastic bag in which food is kept because it is too dry to eat. That's why they add water and they squish it. Squish it means to mix by mashing it. And astronauts can eat hot food by adding hot water, but they can't drink cold drinks because there is no refrigerator in the space shuttle. Sleeping is an adventure too. Some astronauts like to float free in the shuttle while sleeping, gently bouncing off a wall once in a while. Other astronauts sleep better if they are zipped into a sleeping bag. This feels more like sleeping in a bed on Earth. There is even a little pillow they can fasten to their heads with a strap. Sleeping in the space shuttle is also an adventure for the astronauts. Some astronauts like to sleep and float free in the shuttle, and they can bounce with one wall and another. And some astronauts like to sleep while they are zipped into a sleeping bag. They like to sleep inside a sleeping bag. This feels more comfortable and it feels like you are sleeping in a bed on Earth. And there is also a little pillow that is attached with the sleeping bag with straps. Staying clean is also harder in space. There is no shower, no bathtub on the shuttle. So astronauts have to take sponge baths. They can brush their teeth the regular way but have to be careful that toothpaste globs don't drift away. All the trash and garbage has to be put in bags and brought back to the Earth. Staying clean in the space shuttle is also harder. There is no shower, there is no bathtub, so they have to take sponge baths. And brushing is normal as you do on Earth, but they have to be careful that the toothpaste globes do not drift away. And all the trash and garbage that they do in the space shuttle, they have to bring it back on Earth in the bags. Going to the bathroom is easy, though the toilet in the shuttle uses airflow to carry waste away from the astronaut's body. Going to the bathroom is easy, but there is no water used. There is airflow system through which the waste go away from the astronaut's body. One of the most important things astronauts must do every day in space is exercise. Without gravity, the human body starts to lose muscles and bone tissue. To keep their body strong, astronauts exercise using a treadmill or a rowing machine. One of the important things that astronauts should do in the space shuttle is that they should do exercise daily, because when there is no gravity in the space shuttle, they can lose their muscles and bones tissue, and their body will become saggy and their tissues and skin will become loose. So to keep their body tight and strong, they have to do exercise daily. They do exercise on treadmill or on a rowing machine. I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you so much.